Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this Kochnors rechargeable grinder, which can be used for peppercorns and salt and also for some other things. It has a lot of awesome features. It comes even with the rechargeable batteries. It's also important that it has a high quality ceramic grinder, large storage capacity, large battery, so we can use it for 2 hours of grinding without recharging. Absolutely awesome. So let's open the box and see what we get. So here we are. It's nicely protected, nicely packaged. So here we get also the instructions manual. I hope it's focusing nicely so you can read everything, but it's not difficult to use, and I'm going to show you the basics anyway. Comes also with the Usbc charging cable included, but of course no power brick, but we have plenty of them, so it's a good thing that we do not get another one. By the way, of course, we can also see the batteries here inside. We get already 4 of them pre-installed, but as an option you can also use alkaline batteries, but of course you cannot charge them here inside. So we lock the battery compartment nicely that everything is secured, and so here we can charge it directly, and we can see this nice blue light here while it's charging. The full charge takes 13 hours, but again it's very powerful, and so we can use it after that for 2 hours, which lasts almost forever if you are not a professional. So when it's fully charged, we remove the charging cable, and to open and fill the container it's very easy. We just push it to the front, we remove the lid, and then we add the peppercorns or salt or whatever you want to use. I love the huge size of the container, so we do not have to refill it all the time. And to put it back, we just push it down again, absolutely easy. And what's also really awesome here is that we have 6 different type of grinding, so we can choose from extra fine to extra coarse. When we are moving this thing here to the left side, it's extra coarse, and when we secure it to the right side, then it's extra fine. And to turn it on, we have to push it into the on position, but it's still secured and doing nothing. So when we want to really use it, just tilt it and it will automatically start grinding. So this is as easy as it gets. Of course, make sure when you want to switch to another position, turn it off, and then we untighten that a little bit and we turn it on again and choose again, and you can see the different grinding. So here we have a lot of large parts, and here we have only very small parts. So you can choose whatever you want. Absolutely awesome. I love this thing, works perfectly, and because it's so beautiful and works so well, it could also be a perfect gift for your friends or family. So if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.